Hello, I'm Gina again. So, today I make a pizza, but the rest I want to show something else. After the pizza, when you make bread, you can make the pizza fritta. You see, you can make something else. You can make the pizza fritta. You see, like this. You can make a pizza fritta. It's the dough. With the dough you can make whatever you want. You make pizza, you make bread, you make a pizza fritta. You see? And when you make this, make sure the oil is already nice already. I want to make a little low, otherwise they burn. And this you got. This is special when you eat it right away. Can you want to eat it tomorrow? It's different. You know, you have to warm it up and you eat it, but it's not like it's not. They have to come gold, little gold. They have to come a little gold. Okay, we use powdered sugar. You can make a powdered sugar on the top. When you're done, you put on the paper, and the paper, the oil you go drop on the paper. Make it like this. See? This is done. This is done now. Drop the oil, put over there. You can make another one. I make skinny, but the dough, I make skinny, they come up. It's up. E mangia, 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 mangia. See, almost done. You know, when you make, you have to have a little oil here, just because it stick to your finger. You take the dough like this. You take the dough like this with the all the time I use the scissors. See? And that's a nice, and you put it here. You see? I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished. Not a little bit. And put have a little piece. Depends how much you want big, you want small, you can make whatever you want. I make a skinny and then they come big. All right, hey, my pizza fritta is done. Okay. Now shut it off. Everything is finished. Put over there. You can make a big one, you make a small one, you can make any size you want. All right. I make the trail. All right, this is it. I make the pizza fritta. Because my grandkids, they yell at me, you make a bread, you make a pizza, but the pizza fritta. I make the pizza fritta too. So, and this is it. You want either like this, you either like this, or you want to put powdered sugar, you can put powdered sugar. You want to put powdered sugar, you can put powdered sugar like this, see? You can put powdered sugar. But we used to do the, Italy, we don't know powdered sugar. I'm talking about all the time, years and years ago. When we got this, we was to celebrate. So, this is it. I hope you enjoy watching me, watch my show. And I can say thank you, everybody. I see you next time. Oh, I forgot the test. I talk. I know test the pizza fritta. I know they're good. I know they're good. I know they're good. What are you gonna say? All right. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for watching me. Okay? God bless everybody.